New research suggests that polar bears could be rewriting their DNA to adapt to warmer climates. We speak to the study's lead researcher here on the programme to find out more. Now, some more science for you, because new research has suggested that polar bears could be rewriting their DNA in order to adapt to warmer climates. Researchers from East Anglia University discovered some genes related to heat stress, ageing and metabolism behaving rather differently in polar bears that live in southeastern Greenland, suggesting they might be adjusting to their warmer conditions. Well, Dr Alice Godden from the School of Biological Sciences at East Anglia University led the study.
Yeah, we found some really striking results. We believe it's the first account of how temperature, particularly from a climate change event, is actually leading to some changes in the DNA, particularly in our case, the polar bears in Greenland.
And how is it changing?
So the changes that we saw were actually in these things we call jumping genes. Now, these are small, very mobile parts of our genome. We have them, plants have them, all animals have them, and they make up a huge chunk of our DNA, and they can copy and paste and move freely and create changes in the DNA in that way, which we hopefully believe are to be positive.
And can you just tell us how that's actually affecting the bears themselves? Obviously very worrying to see them having to adapt to these climate change effects, but good, I guess, that they are adapting in order to survive.
Yeah, we're seeing quite a lot of change in the polar bear genomes. We also saw changes in their normal gene expression as well. This, we think, might be linked to their diet changes. So the bears in the southeast of Greenland actually don't eat the same. The food availability is much reduced. The fatty, juicy seals that the northern bears are accustomed to are not present in the south, and their diet is more plant-based. And we saw great changes in genes linked to fat processing in these southern bears, showing how they are potentially adapting to the new environment.
Dr Alice Godden there from East Anglia University on those polar bears and how they are adapting to climate change.